Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful idea. Creating crochet fruit shaped necklace is a charming and delightful project. Here are simple guide to make a crochet fruit shape mala necklace styles ideas using the explain of like strawberry and orange shape and watermelon, like different and beautiful combination necklace with wood balls and crochet fruit shapes balls combination and latest ideas material cotton or embroidered floss yarn in red, green, black for strawberries and orange, lemon, watermelon and different apple